Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to say, Faze Rug, if you're watching this video, your pop-up shop was unreal, man. It was unreal, and if I ever get to meet you someday, that'd be cool. But I live on the other side of California, so that's kind of crazy. But anyways, guys, this event was absolutely insane. I've never seen so many freaking people, man. It's absolutely crazy, dude. You just gotta watch it for yourself. And all I gotta say is I hope you enjoyed the video. I was literally at SAC 1 hour and in LA in another hour, and it's just two different worlds. So check it out. Hope you guys enjoy. Smack that thumb button and tag Faze Rug. Maybe he'll see it or something. But yeah, enjoy the video. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to LA. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll show you guys more footage over there. A lot of car content. So catch you guys there. Peace. Hope you guys enjoy. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Los Angeles. Where my little sister? And dude, this city is amazing. So many cars out here. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Sunday is gonna be ridiculous. So just be prepared. I'm gonna shoot a lot of videos, but I'm gonna show you guys slowly by slowly. So yeah, expect sick ass videos in the next few weeks. But I'll catch you guys in a bit. Today, I don't know if you guys know Faze Rug. You guys need to know Faze Rug. He has like over 10 million subs. He's opening a pop-up shop. We're gonna try to slide through, see what it's like, because there's obviously gonna be a lot of people. He's probably gonna bring his Lambo there. Hopefully you guys enjoy today, man. Today, tomorrow, and Monday. Crazy. I swear I'm gonna just drop out and move to LA. The man himself.
Hey, you can't film me in this car, man.
Damn,
this is the work
brother.
car. This is
new
the work
smell car, guys. This is new smell car right here. I was expecting him to pick me up in the Z, but it was probably
that shit ain't gonna fit.
That's true. But we're still gonna show you guys. We're still gonna show you guys his Z when we get home, and hella crazy shit, bro. Oh, that bird. Hopefully you guys heard that shit. Oh. Yup, that's 60 right there. Bro, that had to be like, what, fucking 2.8 seconds? Like... Alright guys, so I initially told you guys I was gonna get picked up in a 350. Now he picked me up in an Equinox, which has fucking turbos all over, but I'm gonna show you guys his 350. Let's roll out the cinematic B-roll. Alright guys, so right now it's 2 o'clock. We are heading our way to Santana. There's this guy, like I said, his name's Faze Rug. I don't know if you guys have followed him. So he's this YouTuber I used to watch more when I was younger. But you know, I was like, I'm in LA, I'm gonna be close to it, there's gonna be a lot of people. He might bring his Lambo, so why the hell not? Instead of being at home, why not just freaking go and see the freaking YouTube pop culture here in LA? So let's go over there and I'll show you guys the whole environment. I think it's gonna be pretty sick. There's already people online, so it's gonna be exciting. Guys, so we're taking the exit here for the pop-up shop. Dude, I already see people in the corner, bro. Because the street where his pop-up shop is really close to the freeway exit. So there's hella people already. I'm gonna show you guys. Are y'all here for Faze Rug or what? Yeah, you already know. Say what's up. Faze Rug, people. Faze Rug. Face up, face up.
Nice car. What's your YouTube channel?
Bro, what are your first thoughts, bro? Oh, look, it says Faze. The guy's trying to cross the line and they didn't let him. He says he's calling an Uber and his Uber's gonna end up over there, but that shit is Paul. Come on, you can't bullshit it like that. Come on, you can't bullshit. Hella people. Dude, look at this.
Got a nice little GTI right here.
Bro. Matte black carbon fiber.
Oh, good on the proxies.
Holy
triple A's, bro. You know how much those wheels are?
I don't know, but look at this
Look at
freaking
this Rolls Royce right here, dog.
Bro, we're kind of just fucking behind the scenes at this point, bro. Everybody's going
get in there.
What's going on? Guys, so I think they're getting in trouble right now because there's just so many people. They're blocking the street, and a lot of people are actually crossing the street where they shouldn't be. So they're like, what is it, jaywalking? They're like jaywalking the street to come over here, and it's just causing a lot of danger. So like, you know, it's crazy. There goes the Faze cam. There's hella people, bro. They can't function like that, dog. Hey, Kevin!
Brian is on the roof.
My pop-up just got shut down.
His pop-up just got shut down. Woo!